that 200,000 children are in adoption centers in India and only 4,500 of them get adopted every year. That means a child has only 2.25% chance of getting adopted in a year. Do you think that's fair? Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. My name is Aryaman and I am here with my colleagues Vedant and Ruveer. Today we present to you Open Arm, India's first online adoption platform. Our mission is to give the children a loving family and a happy home. Many children in India remain unadopted their whole childhood, and this is because the process of adoption is complex, lengthy, and very expensive.
This leads to many parents giving up on the adoption altogether. There's a disconnect between adoption agencies and parents, making it hard to find a parent for a child. Additionally, many agencies lack the digital tools to reach a wider audience. Since 2015, the rate of adoption has depleted. This was because of a Child Adoption Act, which made this process lengthier. This results in countless deserving children remaining unadopted. Our goal is to make adoption easier, faster, and cheaper. Currently, in India, the whole process of adopting children can take up to 2 years and cost between 60 to 1.2 lakhs. This includes home visits, documentation, and court approval. From our platform, the process of adoption will go from taking 2 years to just 4 to 6 months. We're aiming to reduce the price from 1 lakh to around 15 to 20k. This will make our serviceable available market even larger.
We will do this with the help of AI to make the documentation and legal processes cheaper. This will make the process of adoption much more accessible and popular throughout the country. With your support, we will be able to develop our platform, create marketing strategies, and make partnerships with adoption agencies. This will help us reach potential adoptive parents and hire workers. Together, we can transform the adoption process and bring hope and love to children in need. Join us on this journey where hope meets hope.
Thank you. For more information, you can look at the PPT, which we will just be scrolling.
Questions?